how to uninstall Riot Client. If you would like to uninstall Riot Client, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all go ahead and first of all basically open up your Windows search bar and then search for control panel and open it up, because we will uninstall Riot Client through our control panel. From control panel, you want to go under programs and select uninstall a program button right there, and as you've done that, you will see a list of programs that are installed on your computer. Now, Riot Client doesn't necessarily mean that it will get installed separately, because whenever you're installing games like Valorant or League of Legends, the Riot Client application will actually get installed by default. And if you'd like to uninstall it, you'll find that particular application here. Now, in my case, I have already uninstalled it, but if you do, you'll find that right here. And then after you select that, you have to click the uninstall button at the top. And just like that, you'll be able to uninstall the Riot Client game. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can install Riot Client. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.